Are you aware by the latest updates in your community? Let's check it out. Poll for today. Should the government increase or decrease military spending? If you think you are aware enough to answer the poll, then post your answers and suggestions if any in the comment section given below. Watch. Alyssa Milano claims I don't have equal rights under the Constitution. Actress and Me Too activist Alyssa Milano claims she does not have equal rights under the Constitution. Alyssa Milano tweeted, "I don't have equal rights under the Constitution. But today, with brave members of Congress and with the blood, passion and decades of hard work of women and allies behind them, the House of Representatives took an important step to change that." The Kansas City Star reported that Milano celebrated the first House hearing on the Equal Rights Amendment in more than 3 decades. The actress and women's rights activist says the amendment would put women on equal footing under the Constitution. "Not we the men," she told a packed press conference on Tuesday, the same day the proposal was heard before the House Judiciary Committee. "Say it with me, we the people." The amendment, sponsored by Representative Carolyn Maloney, states women shall have equal rights in the United States and every place subject to its jurisdiction. Equality of rights under the law shall not be denied or abridged by the United States or by any state on account of sex. Far-left Hollywood actress and activist Alyssa Milano has claimed she doesn't have equal rights under the Constitution as she urged lawmakers to pass legislation to amend the Constitution with the Equal Rights Amendment era aimed at elevating women. Milano made the remarks during an impassioned 2-minute video after the first congressional hearing on the Equal Rights Amendment in 36 years. "I don't have equal rights under the Constitution. It is time for the Constitution to reflect the powerful principles of its first 3 words, we the people," Alyssa Milano said. "The era will build a wall that will actually do something against the never-ending assault on our rights from the current or future presidents. Ratification will make sure that all people, no matter where we fall on the spectrum of gender identity, will have sovereignty over our own bodies, at home and in the doctor's office," said the actress, whose net worth ranges from a reported $10 to $45 million. "And it will change the face of business as companies enact recruitment, retention, and advancement programs that ensure a woman's path to the executive suite does not stop at an executive assistant." Congress passed the ERA amendment back in 1972, although it fell short of the required 38 states needed to ratify it before the March 1979 deadline. Alyssa Milano has long been involved in campaigning for the ERA. In January, she told a rally in Washington, D.C. on Tuesday that because she has a vagina, she doesn't have equality and justice in America. "My name is Alyssa Milano, and in 2019 I do not have equal rights in the Constitution," she declared. "That's right, because I have a vagina I do not have equality and justice." Her plea was also backed by fellow actress Patricia Arquette, who testified before the House Judiciary Subcommittee on the Constitution, Civil Rights, and Civil Liberties on Tuesday in favor of the amendment. "I come here not as a constitutional lawyer but as an American citizen, as an American woman, to advocate for what I feel is critical for our country," Arquette said. "Women have waited 232 years to be enshrined as full and equal citizens. Why? Because in 1787, women were left out of the Constitution intentionally.